Hi you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I missed you guys so much and it feels so good to be doing this sit down YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to be speaking about the Valentine's gift guide ideas for her. Last time that I posted a gift guide idea for him, you guys showed immense love on that one. So yeah, this video is going to be about the gift guide ideas for all the girls. So if you really want to skip all the cliche gifts idea and want to give her something really special which she will use eventually in her day-to-day life, then I think you are at the right place. So keep on watching. I've got a list of ideas to help you out with. First up is the classic flowers, and I think any girl would love to receive like a good bouquet of flowers, like a very well-made bouquet of flowers. So everything put together can any day make our day good, so that she will always like remember. And trust me, we girls remember all the little things, all the little efforts that you guys put into. So yeah, that is what makes us really happy. So yeah, do not forget the flowers. Go for a bouquet that really matches her vibe. Go for the flowers that she really likes. Otherwise, if you really do not have any kind of idea, I think you should be going for roses, like the white roses or the pastel roses colors, whatever. They look so good and elegant. Also, it doesn't have to be only on Valentine's Day. Yeah, you can put together a good bunch of flowers together and then just gift her the cute little note on it. Or getting her a good like vintage mirror will be like a cherry on top, because I think most of the girls are obsessed with mirrors and taking mirror selfies for sure. At least I am like obsessed with taking mirror selfies. So yeah, considering that, I just felt like including this point as well. So every time she will also look at that mirror, she is going to remember you, and that will also add to her room decor. Vintage mirror for the win any day. Next up, if you really want to go for something simple yet elegant, I think you cannot go wrong with your dainty jewelry stuff. So there are so many pages with a lot of dainty jewelries, the fake tarnish one, but if you really want to go all out and gift her like a real good jewelry piece, then I think Bluestone is a really good place for you to check out, because I've been to their store and I loved their trendy pieces. And not just trendy, they were so elegant and simple, like the tiniest bit of it, very well made, and the main thing is the price point is super good. You can always gift her a small little necklace or a pair of earrings, the cute ones that we will literally wear it with everything. Next up is a vintage watch. Getting her a good vintage watch along with some cute bracelet to making like a stack of it will be like a cherry on top, because these things are in trend. Everybody is wearing like watches and the bracelets and a stack full of wrist. So yeah, gift her that. She will always wear it, and being practical, it will always put together like a classic and like a stylish thing together. And this thought only of like putting a thought into it and making all of these things happen, that will always make her heart full. Next up is the fragrance, and I am currently obsessed with fragrance, which I was never. Like, I did not used to enjoy fragrance that much, but all of a sudden I am like a fragrance freak now. I look out for good solid perfumes. Like, I'm into like mild category, like a vanilla sort of a thing. I am eyeing on the fragrances, and I know for a fact that all the girls love to smell good. They are gifting her like these. Victoria's Secret is currently running on a lot of discounts, so you can definitely go and check out their page. I've ordered like a bare vanilla fragrance from their range, which is so good, and I love that one. But you can also gift them like a lotion and the perfume and the mist together, like a combo, which she will again love. So yeah, gift her good fragrances. You can choose something like these. If you really don't want to spend that much on the fragrance, because fragrances can be expensive for a fact, so you can definitely go and check out the Plum Body Loving, because they also have like amazing fragrances which are quite good. Fragrance can be a little love letter that can last all day long. Okay, so the next up is a cute bag. Also, you can go for a tote bag. Why not? Because we girls carry whole of our world together wherever we go. So yeah, gifting us like tote bag or also like a statement bag like this or like this is any day going to make our day. And it is obviously going to be practical. We are going to carry that bag all the time with us. Mirajo has quite a good quality made bags which I love personally. So the next one is like very close to my heart, and it is gifting them like a good Indian outfit. A sari for example, or a kurti, just a simple one, just a simple sari is always going to be closer to their hearts. Gifting a sari would be like a really sentimental gift, I feel, because I'm speaking from my point of view. I love saris, like I can live in them. So comfortable for me, at least. I don't mind wearing saris all day long. So yeah, if not just she's not a sari person, then you can always go for like these kind of kurta sets which are going to be so comfortable at the end of the day, and she's going to love that one. Here's the gift that's going to hit all the right feels, and it is a box full of handwritten notes, like a small handwritten notes in a jar. Or take a little time to jot down all the memories, like those memories you can recall that was special to both of you guys. Just the thought of you like going back down the memory lane and recalling all the things that you did together in the initial phases of your relationship. And I feel like the initial stages of your relationship really matters, and is definitely going to take her down the memory lane. So I think if you could do something, at least like anything you can pick out from this list, is have to be this one. I think it is better than anything you could ever possibly buy for her. Next thing is planning a whole day of fun activities that you both enjoy to do. So in this way you both will have a good time together, good meals together, like going out on your favorite places is definitely going both of your days actually at the end of the day, and you all both will cherish and relive your relationship. That's what I feel. And it is not just for like one day in specific. You have to show these gestures to each other like on everyday basis if you really want to be in that relationship, in a happy relationship, I feel. In preparing like a good meal, even if you are like not good at cooking, but still you can put together like a little meal or a little snack for her, she will always going to remember that thing. So yeah, do not like forget on these little things. You can definitely do better with cooking, and she's going to remember that. With that, we have come towards the end of this beautiful video. I feel I love how this turned out. Always so special to make such kind of videos. From classic flowers to like a day full of adventure, and I think there's something for every type of relationship over here and every kind of girl. Remember, it's not always spending about a ton of money. It's always about showing that you really care, and sometimes we just forget to like show that we care for each other, and that is what we are going to bring back with this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. If you really did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to wish 1K subscribers as soon as possible, and I'm so grateful for you guys for always sharing and always comment. Personally, I'm not like a Valentine Day like believer, because I believe that you should be loving each other on everyday basis. It's a process. Let's take this day to celebrate love, and every day like celebrating love and gifting each other, not just the materialistic things but the thoughtful gifts, the time actually. Follow me on my Instagram, being quite active over there, and let me know what are the kinds of videos you all would love to see, and I would make sure to create those videos for you guys. So I will see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then,